Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a video behind text in CapCut apps with 3 different styles. This is the result. Now let's get started. First, we need to create the text that we want to use in that video, and then you need to click a new project, click on stock video, and select the black background. Now let me show you how to make the first style. So you would click on the text. At the text, you can go to a style to select the font that you like. In here, I'm going to select a barrow. So now export the video. Now go to the video that you want to use the effect. And now let's add the text that we just create, and then click overlay and add the overlay. Click on the text that we just made. Just do the same things with the other one. As you can see here, the one that I created earlier is only 3 seconds long. But if you want to make it longer, you can use the freeze frame, and you will delete the video part and just use the freeze frame feature, which you can adjust to however long you want. And then you would click on the text again, go to splash, and then you can select darken or slide. Other one you work. If you like it's bigger, you can always adjust it. So that's how you can create the video inside text effect. If you want to create a zoom in effect on top of this, you can use the keyframe function. So you can add a keyframe. And then go to the next spot that you want to add a keyframe. And with this one, you will zoom in the text so you don't see on the video anymore. So this is how it will turn out. Okay, that's how you can create a video inside text effect. In the next video, I will make a video inside a text effect like this. Don't forget to watch it on the part 2 video, and then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.